Hey explorers, so this is a video about the food that we rescue. We go dumpster diving a lot. Sorry about our S's in this video, this cicada. Yeah, we're talking to you over there.
And over there.
And over there. Making our speech sound quite weird, and it's probably very loud on the video, so we're gonna have to like yell. But we work as boat instructors.
Hello!
We work as boat instructors on Lake Powell, and that means when customers come back and they leave a lot of food on their boats after vacation, we get it. So this is today's haul.
I shall take over.
This is just an example.
Here's our bag. So, also, if anyone understands why when cicadas are chirping, why you list, please comment. I'm going crazy. I don't know why it happens, and I don't have a list. Alright. So, cheese balls for Ethan. We're probably going to reuse this a few times before we deem it not usable again. But we rescued it, so it's definitely fine to use it.
Signature Select is not a sponsor.
None of these are a sponsor. Wipies, because who doesn't need them? That sounded weird. I didn't mean it like that. I'm sorry. We got some shredded lettuce. Lovely. Ooh, we can put that in dinner tonight. Several Pop-Tarts. Some more like vegetable salad. Cheese nips for Ethan. Most of this is for Ethan. Waffles that should have been already put in the fridge.
Classic Ethan.
A few eggs. How many? Ooh, several eggs.
Mike, why would you throw that out? Why?
16 eggs.
This is already like $30 worth of food.
We got some more limes, because we actually already got limes. I'm going to make some lime and mint water. Strike anywhere matches. Ice pops. Now these are all plastic, but it's better than them just being thrown away, because if you throw it away like this, they can't be recycled because there's food waste. So you got to use them, rinse them out, and then recycle them. Some Lay's chips. I know it is open and some people find that disgusting, but we don't really mind.
Especially if they're chips.
Cheetos for Ethan. More Lay's unopened. Taco shells. 12, 24, 36 of them. There were like 4 more boxes. And then we got some bags that we will reuse a lot. And that's all the food. But we get stuff like this like every week, maybe every other week. Sometimes there's dry spells where you won't get this stuff, but a lot of the time you do. And it's really cool because they just throw this out and we get to use it. Thank you for watching. Remember that plastic is evil, but we kind of dug ourselves a hole, so we gotta use it. So recycle, rethink, and just use what you can, and recycle properly. We'll see you guys next time.
Look at that beautiful view of Lake Powell back there. Wow. Goodbye, Mr. Cicada. Aw, do you see him waving?